Welcome back, everyone. In today's short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a photo album in a Facebook Messenger group. Stick around until the end, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Creating an album in Messenger lets you easily organize and share multiple photos and videos within your group chat. Here's how to do it. First, open the Facebook Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're in, scroll down and select the group chat where you want to create your photo album. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see an image icon on the left side of the message input field. Tap that icon, and you'll be able to view all the photos and videos in your device's gallery. Select the multiple photos you want to include in the album. After you've made your selections, look for the Add to or Create Album button, depending on your device. Tap on that, and a new screen will appear. Now, select New Album to create a new album for your group chat. Enter your desired album name, then tap the Create Album button. And just like that, you've successfully created a photo album in your Messenger group chat. You can always add more images or edit the album name by opening the album later. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.